Hey guys, it's Kay, and today I want to share with you this unit from UNice Hair. I'm excited to share it with you because I got a lot of love when I posted it. So this is how the box comes. I will definitely be showing you the hair, but I do first want to show you what came in the box and like my goodies that I got. So firstly, I got this hook type of thing. This you can just add to the hair just to secure it, and I also got an elastic band, which is always useful. And then I got this cute little package, and inside the first thing that I received from them was this very cute set of nail wraps. So basically this is something you put on your nails just to kind of decorate them without having to like put like gel on them. And then I also got these wig caps. This is always great, like you always need some wig caps. And then they also gave me this head wrap, which is very clutch because I'm gonna need this today. They also gave me a pair of these beautiful lashes. I'm obsessed with how voluminous they are. They're just bomb. And then yeah, that's basically what's all in there. You can keep this thing if you want to, but I'm going to show you the actual hair now. So I've been rocking this color quite a bit, but I haven't done a style with it other than just curl it. This is something that they call like the piano wig. It's just basically a honey blonde with some highlights, and it's stunning. This works so well on my complexion. I always love when I get a wig that is like honey blonde with highlights, because I love the fact that companies are starting to actually make them like this. So this one came with a pot, which is great, and the knots were already bleached, which is lovely. The only thing that I had to do to this wig, honestly, was just tint the lace, and I tinted the lace with some foundation. I'll show you, but this is how the wig looks inside. It is stunning, very well made. It's got clips in there, it's got adjustable hooks, it's got everything you need. It even has lace at the bottom, like the nape of the neck, and it is long, darling. It is stunning. So like I said, all I really did to this hair was tint it, but first I do have to just cut off the lace. The lace at the nape of my neck I never use. That's only because if I'm putting my hair up, like in this video, I put it up like a half up. I never put like a full ponytail. So all I did was adjust those clips because the wig is big for my head, and then I start with my tinting. I tint using foundation. It's just easy. You can wash it off. It's just, I just love it. I never do too much when it comes to tinting. But yeah, when I'm done tinting, then I'm just gonna cut the lace off the front of the hair and plop it on my head. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna install, but I'm not gonna go into detail because I've showed that so many times. I do want to go into detail about how I styled the hair though. So all I really did for installation was I put the hair on my head and then tied it with a head tie. I find that tying your hair back when you're working with it is just, it makes everything so much easier. You can see the lace, there's no hair that gets stuck in the glue. It just works, okay? And I've graduated. I don't lay my hair in sections anymore. I just do the whole thing all at once. Like, I'm a pro now. So I just used some Got2b and then made it tacky with a blow dryer. And then all I really did was just put that lace back down. And that's it for installation. It came so clutch, the fact that I could just like pull it away and put it back down, because working all at once, it just, I don't know, I just find it so much easier. I used to do my hair in 2 sections. Now I just think it's so nice and easy just to do everything at once. So all I did was just lay that hair, and as you can see, all I needed to do was just tint the lace. It blended like a dream. It looks stunning. I absolutely loved how it looked, and yeah, it just really looked nice. And then just to secure and like lay the lace, because I'm not adding any baby hair, I'm using that hair tie that they gave me, and I'm just gonna make it super tight. And then yeah, it's gonna lay my lace very nicely, and then I'm gonna take it off in like 30 minutes when I'm done with my makeup. And yeah, now we're gonna get into the actual, like, the styling part of this wig, which I'm so excited for, because girl, y'all loved this. Okay, so after doing my makeup, I'm basically gonna just brush my hair. I loved how just silky the hair was. I hadn't washed the hair or anything like that, and I hadn't like played around in it, but when I finished my makeup and anything, it was like coily and like, you know, it was like frizzed up. So just brushing it just worked perfectly. Like, I did not need to do too much to like get it untangled. It did not tangle. It was perfect, you know. So yeah, all I'm really doing here is putting my hair half up on my head. I did at some point use a hot comb, but I didn't need one, honestly. You just have to put it up as if it's your own hair, and it's just perfect, honestly. And the fact that I'm going to curl it is going to help hide any tracks, if there are tracks showing at the back. So yeah, that was great, especially the color. The color I feel like is what helped with this, when it comes to like the blend and just making it look natural. The color isn't what came in clutch for me. So all I'm really doing here is just making that ponytail super tight, and then I'm just going to curl the hair, and literally that is it. You install, you do whatever you need to do via your face and whatever when you're laying the lace, and then you curl. That's it. And I got this really cute hairstyle, and you guys loved it. So thank you so much for the love on Instagram. You guys, love y'all so much. And that's it, you guys. That is literally all I did to get this super cute Beyonce type inspired look. All I did that I didn't actually add here was just wrap my hair around the ponytail. But yeah, everything else I've showed you, and it's super simple. So yeah, if you guys want this wig, please go into my description box down below. I'll have all the details you guys need. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you think. I was thinking of adding bangs. Do you think that would have looked cute? Let me know, because I might do it another time. So yeah, let me know in the comment section down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.